How to delete Gmail messages in bulk. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to delete Gmail messages in bulk using Forensics Mailrazor Wizard software. To install the Forensics Mailrazor Wizard software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This represents the interface of the Forensics Mailrazor Wizard software. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with multiple features. Click on Add Account option to add Gmail account. Click on Manage Account option to manage the already added Gmail accounts. And if you already have added accounts, it will be viewed here. To continue, let's proceed with clicking on Add Account button. A pop-up will appear to enter the account details. Enter your Gmail account here. Enter your password here. Please note that your Gmail password won't work. You will have to enter app password in order to continue. If you are unsure about how to create app password, kindly refer to the video. Link will be provided in the description. After entering app password, click on Add button. It will take some time to load the added Gmail account. A new window will appear on screen. This panel shows the Gmail folder list. Click on a folder to view list of all the mails. A new panel will appear next to it showing list of mails within the selected folder. Click on a mail to preview it. A new panel will appear next to it showing the mail. Users have ability to search for particular mail. User can select mails for deletion by clicking on the checkbox Next Account option. User also have flexibility to select mails individually by clicking on them. After selecting mails, click on Trashcan icon button to delete selected mails. A pop-up asking for the confirmation for deletion will appear on screen. Click on Yes to permanently delete the mails. Let's also see the Advanced Deletion option. Click on Actions button and select Delete Mails option. Under Delete Options, you'll see dual options. Delete All Mail option to delete all the mails. And Advanced Setting option. Click on Advanced Setting option to view other filter option. Now let's see Deletion Filter options. Delete All Mails Containing Attachments option deletes all the mails that are containing attachments. Date Range option deletes all the mails sent or received within the specified date. User can select the date from the calendar available. Next, the Date Range option. From Mail ID option deletes all the mails received from the entered email address. User can enter email address next to the From Mail ID option. To Mail ID option deletes all the mails sent to the entered email address. User can enter email address next to the To Mail ID option. Contains Text option will delete all the mails containing the entered word. Within Contains Text option, user can further select options like Contains and Subject will delete mails containing entered words within the subject of the mail. Contains and Body will delete mails containing entered words within the body of the mail. Case Sensitive will only delete those mails which contains the entered word exacting as it is typed. Now let's also see the deletion process. After selecting the desired filter options, click on Delete button. A pop-up asking for the confirmation for deletion will appear on screen. Click on Yes and deletion process will begin. Shortly, a pop-up indicating that trial version of the tool will allow the user to delete only 10 mails at a time will appear on screen. Click on OK. In order to increase the deletion limit, user will have to purchase the license to the software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.